Dear investors and friends of Fanley, 2023 has passed and it's time to review our investments together in 2023. Fanley continued to adhere to the core strategy of global diversified investment, long-term investment, and value investment, and continued to seize investment opportunities in fields such as global technology and global healthcare. However, the BRICS market, especially Chinese concept stocks, did not achieve a bottoming out rebound in 2023, but the decline has narrowed to single digits at the beginning of 2023. Major investment institutions around the world predicted that the U.S. economy would enter a recession after the Federal Reserve's rapid rate hikes, and the Federal Reserve would begin to cut interest rates accordingly. But in fact, throughout 2023, the U.S. economy did not show signs of fatigue, and the Federal Reserve did not start cutting interest rates as scheduled. In this situation, the U.S. stock market maintained a significant increase throughout the year. On the other hand, in emerging markets, after the lifting of the epidemic lockdown, the Chinese economy experienced a short-term rebound and began to suffer from the deflation quagmire, with the CPI and PPI continuing to remain low. However, the real estate industry has not bottomed out and rebounded, and sales of major real estate companies remain weak in 2023. Among the multiple portfolios recommended by Fanley, there were 7 global index funds and 4 global active management funds involved. Let's review their specific situations below. 1. Fund Review 1. Dow Jones and Poor's 500 Index Fund. 24.28% increase in 20,232. Schwab Global Technology Index Fund. 52.78% increase in 20,233. Schwab MSCI Thailand Index Fund. Growth rate for 2023 to 12.18% for Schwab BRICS 50 Index Fund. Growth rate for 2022 to 7.39%. 5. Asus Global Health Index Fund. Growth rate of 3.49% in 2023. 6. Asus India Index Fund. Growth rate of 17.49% in 20,237. AAS US Mexico Investment Index increased by 40.43% in 20,238. Pingao USD High Yield Bond Fund increased by 11.90% in 20,239. BlackRock Global Fund World Health Science Fund. Growth rate of 2.18% in 202,310. Fidelity Fund India Focus Fund Class shares. 18.5 increase in 202,311. BlackRock Global Fund Global High Yield Bond F Fund, 2 shares. 11.89% in 2023. 2. Federal Reserve raises interest rates, leading to a surge in technology as TOCKSI in 2023. The Federal Reserve rapidly raised interest rates, and entering 2024, it has entered the tail time of interest rate hikes in 2024. It is highly likely to shift into a cycle of interest rate cuts, but it may not be realistic to expect